Why does your scanner show the P2589 engine code? What does it mean? P2589 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger boost control position sensor B circuit high. The P2589 engine code indicates that the engine's PCM has detected the voltage from the turbocharger position sensor B is abnormally high, generally exceeding manufacturer limits. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connectors, failed turbocharger, actuator, or sensor, sticking or clogged turbo vanes, oil contamination, incorrect actuator calibration. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Volkswagen, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.